Another story. The one countryman, countrywoman, na perika them for that side for Yaoundé. When a Trump Mazembe them. Pikin the way they 15 and 17 years, 3 of them, gendarme, what damn them. They don't put their hand for the pikin them, they catch them. They surprise the way they do it, when they make gun. These local made handgun them. The pikin they try to make gun for their workshop. They don't get to their workshop for that side for Yaoundé where they want make gun. And then the pikin they try to run. The gendarme, we don't get all the information, and then with the man we get that place, now so gendarme they don't go all around. Now so the thing happen. And then man we get the place we hear say if we go some die. Time for come back, they picking them, they don't go for that place, use iron for make their gun. Now for do it. Now Mazembe won't know. Because if you make gun, we want to go give me renguegue with them. That means say that gun them, when I want to use them, for do some kind of thing them. So the two everything they discover them, I don't know. Sometimes say, governor for that side, go tell the pikin and say, may they use on now for different factories they for give me gun, or they go just carry them go lock up. If they get sense to do that thing, now governor know the way it happen and the way it will take place. So now so it happen, now so it day for that side for Yaoundé, countryman, countrywoman.